Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
This is a weather alert for the downtown area. Heavy rain and strong winds are expected this afternoon from 3 p.m. until 7 p.m. Travelers are advised to allow extra time for their commute and avoid flooded roads. Public transportation may experience delays. Drivers should use caution and reduce speed during severe weather conditions. Please stay safe and monitor local news for further updates.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Thinking about joining a gym? Stop thinking and start moving. At PowerFit Gym, we're offering a special membership deal this month. Sign up now and get your first week free. Our trainers are ready, the machines are waiting, and so are those new muscles. Visit us on Main Street or online at powerfit.com. Take the first step toward a healthier lifestyle today. PowerFit, stronger every day.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, 3 students are sitting at a table in what appears to be a library. In the foreground, a young woman is reading a book and smiling slightly, while several books are stacked on the table in front of her. There is also a cup of coffee and a phone next to the books. In the background, 2 other students are also reading books and studying. Behind them, there are large bookshelves filled with many books.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, several people are boarding a train at a busy train station. Many passengers are walking toward the train while pulling rolling suitcases or carrying bags. In the foreground, a woman is stepping into the train while holding a suitcase, and other passengers are waiting behind her. Above the platform, there are signs and a large clock that help travelers check the schedule. The station looks crowded and active, and people appear to be preparing for a trip.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to your neighbor about transportation. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
How do you usually get to work or school?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I usually drive my car to work because it is the most convenient option for me. It takes about 20 minutes and allows me to travel on my own schedule without worrying about any delays.
Do you prefer driving your own car or using public transportation? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer driving my own car because it gives me more flexibility and privacy. I can leave whenever I want, and it is usually faster than using public transportation in my city.
In your opinion, what could your city do to improve transportation?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, the city could improve transportation by investing more in reliable public transit. For example, adding more bus routes and increasing the frequency of trains would help reduce traffic congestion. In addition, creating more bike lanes and safer pedestrian areas would encourage people to use alternative forms of transportation. These improvements could make commuting faster, safer, and more environmentally friendly for everyone.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
This is Billy from the tech department. I just heard from my colleague there will be a meeting for all staff. When and where will the meeting take place?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Hi, Billy. The meeting will take place on Monday, May 18th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. It will be held in the main conference room on the 5th floor.
I heard the meeting is about some new products. Could you tell me about what we will be discussing in the meeting?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
The meeting agenda includes several topics. The team will review the quarterly sales results, discuss the launch of the new EcoSmart printer, and introduce a summer employee training program.
I have a business lunch downtown and I'm not sure if I can get back on time. What should I do if I can't attend the meeting?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
If you are unable to attend the meeting, you should contact the Human Resources Department in person. The announcement states that employees must inform HR by this Friday if they cannot attend. Attendance is required for a full-time staff, so it is important to notify them as soon as possible and explain your situation.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Which of the following is the best place to live? Living in a big city. Living in a small town. Choose one of the options above and explain your opinion. Give clear reasons and specific examples to support your answer. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think living in a big city is the best choice, especially for someone like me who is married and has 2 small children. First, a big city offers better access to essential services. If one of my kids gets sick, there are more hospitals, pediatric clinics, and pharmacies nearby, so we can get help quickly. Second, big cities usually have more educational options. For example, we can choose from different schools, language centers, and after-school programs, which helps my children learn and develop new skills. Finally, life is simply more convenient. Public transportation, grocery delivery, and nearby parks save us time, and that matters when you're raising young kids and managing a busy schedule. Overall, a big city gives my family more support, opportunities, and convenience, so I strongly prefer it over a small town. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!